this is Elisa with WTI, and today I'm so excited to introduce you to my touchscreen table lamp. I'm loving this touch control rattan table lamp from CINSARY. This has a beautiful natural rattan style and it's very sturdy. It's very high quality and the finish is just beautiful with the beige shade, and it's very unique how the frame has that rattan wrapped in a very unique way. This was very easy to assemble and I appreciate that it comes with the light bulbs. It literally took me like less than 15 minutes to assemble everything and put it together. Once it was ready, it looked beautiful and I wanted to have one in every section of my home. I really love the 3-way dimmable touch control, and you just gently tap and you're able to change the lighting. They are beautiful. I put one on my living room, which is super practical. For whenever I have visitors, they can use the USB charging port, sitting down, drinking a tea, or they can even use the outlet. This is super practical and it's great for every section of your home. I have one in my living room and in my room and I am loving it. I'm sure that if you get these touchscreen table lamps, you're gonna receive so many compliments and you're gonna love them. And that is my point of view.